and a very good evening to each one of you. Thank you so much for joining in today's virtual graduation event. My name is Kunal and I welcome you all in today's event. Today's event is super special for all Antarangis and trust me, it's going to be a lot of fun. इतने दिनों से हम जिस दिन का वेट कर रहे थे वो आज आ चुका है एंड इट्स सो नाइस टू सी सच अ ग्रेट ऑडियंस जिन्होंने आज के इवेंट को ज्वाइन किया है. मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप अपने दोस्तों को आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स को भी इनवाइट करें ताकि वो लोग भी इस इवेंट में ज्वाइन हो सके. आई एम श्योर आज आप लोग काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हो. ये इवेंट अंतरंग के सभी के लिए बहुत ही खास है दोस्तों. And yes, I can see a lot of students now joining in. Thank you all once again. And once again guys, I welcome you all for the Antarang graduation ceremony. We have some exciting surprises for all the graduating batches. So join us as we begin the fun.
हर साल की तरह अंतरंग आपके लिए लेकर आया है सफरनामा यानी travelogue. All of us associated with Antarang have had unique journeys during which we have learned a lot from each other. One thing that has remained constant in all our conversations and interactions is aspirations. In this Safarnama, we will talk about the importance of having aspirations beyond boundaries. With the participation of varied stakeholders and keeping the youth voice at the center of our discussions, we will try to understand how social barriers lead us to aspire in a set boundary and eventually try to answer why and how we need to break these societal barriers and build aspirations. This time we have a series of events planned for you today and tomorrow. सफरनामा की शुरुआत हम ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी से कर रहे हैं. Right after that, you can be a part of two exciting panel discussions. One on breaking gender stereotypes in career choices and the other one on future of work. You can find the links of these panel discussions on our social media handles and in the comment section below. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. you can join us as we introduce to you our Youth Advisory Board of Antarang. After the Youth Advisory Board's introduction, we are having another exciting panel discussion on entrepreneurship with a special focus on young entrepreneurs. इसकी लिंक भी आपको हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर मिल जाएगी. Now, let us continue with our exciting graduation ceremony.
Thanks Surendra for letting us know about the objectives of Safarnama and the exciting things that have been planned today. I hope all the graduating batches have joined us and without any delay now let's start the graduating ceremony. But before, let's start with the Antarang.
सही गलत कुछ पता नहीं था, ना सीखा मैं डिसीजंस लेना. किसी चक्कर में फंसते रहता था, भटका सा खोया खोया सा. मुश्किलों से निकाला खुद को, मिल गई मुझे मंजिल का पता. आजादी अंतरंग में सीखा उड़ना आसमानों में. आजादी अंतरंग में सीखा उड़ना आसमानों में. ना रुकना है ना झुकना है, आगे आगे बढ़ते जाना है. ना रुकना है ना झुकना है, आगे आगे बढ़ते जाना है. किसी को डॉक्टर है बनना, किसी को बनना साइंटिस्ट, और कोई बनना चाहता है एक्टर या डायरेक्टर. कोई आसमां में पायलट तो और कोई ब्यूटिशियन। ये सपना है अपना, सपना है, सपना है अपना, सपना है, सपना है अपना, सपना है, सपना है अपना, सपना है। आजादी अंतरंग में सीखा उड़ना आसमानों में, आजादी अंतरंग में सीखा उड़ना आसमानों में। ना रुकना है ना झुकना है, आगे आगे बढ़ते जाना है। ना रुकना है ना झुकना है, आगे आगे बढ़ते जाना है।
Thanks Kunal and Surendra for setting the mood for the graduation. आइए आज के फर्स्ट परफॉर्मर हर्ष को इनवाइट करते हैं. Harsh, through his dance, would like to give us the message of dreaming high and working towards our dreams fearlessly.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
After the amazing performance by Harsh, it is time to shift our focus to the stars of today, our graduates. So let us welcome Sahin Sheikh from Digital M11 to share her Antarang journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Shaheen Sheikh. I am from DIC M11 batch. My facilitator name is Swapnil sir. I completed my career ready program about 4 to 5 months ago. I decided to push my critical thinking, asking to myself, what am I doing with my life? What should I choose, science or arts? I had just finished HSC with science streams and I wasn't able to decide what I should become and was contemplating my options. So how do I spend my this time and what really matters to me? What are my life goals? What are my long-term goals? So I was very confused with all my feelings and thoughts. So I decided to join Career Ready program to get all my answers. When I joined Career Ready program, I had an idea what I wanted to become, but I was not sure if that was really what I wanted to become. So I said what I really wanted to pursue. So I had 2-3 options in my mind about what I wanted to become, but I was not able to analyze it, if that is really I wanted to become. So I attended first my session of Career Ready. That was mind blowing, and I got the reason why I must continue the program. The reason was that we were able to interact with the facilitator and ask the question in real time. When I joined the SIA, I was also doing a job at that time. It was very difficult for me to attend the sessions so that I don't miss a single session. Sometimes I used to attend sessions while walking or during traveling because I knew my facilitator gives the 100% to teach us something new every day, so I can't miss it. So I used to be fully present and engaged every day so I get to know myself and find my answer. My major learnings are to make informed decisions, my learning styles, mindfulness, employability, diagnostic, and also learned about my personality, work values, industry agnostic. I finally able to analyze what I really want to pursue. So my aspiration is to become an English literature professor. Earlier I was confused whether I should become a professor or a lawyer. Career Ready helped me to analyze my interests through different activities and information and many more things. They also helped me to make a plan B and a plan A. So my plan A is to become a professor and my plan B is to become a teacher. Yes, I see lots of barrier and obstacle between now and my reaching life, like financial problems, competitive exams, and many others. I aspire to become a professor despite the goal of being far away and filled with challenges. Thank you.
Thanks, Shaheen, for sharing your wonderful thoughts. Now, let us take a look at the first set of graduating batches and congratulate them with a huge applause.
Dharavi M32, Pawai M25, Pawai M27, Digital M8, Digital M15.
Congratulations graduates! We have a surprise for you. So जल्दी से अपने WhatsApp बैच ग्रुप्स को चेक कीजिए. आगे बढ़ते हुए आइए देखते हैं हमारी अलमनस पायल पाटिल का मोटिवेशनल परफॉर्मेंस.
कुछ पाने की हो आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो वार वार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल के अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी
After this beautiful performance, let us welcome another one of our graduates, Shivani Chauhan from Digital G2. Let us see Shivani describe her wonderful Antarang journey.
Hello everyone, this is Shivani Chauhan here, and first of all I would like to thank to this organization who gave me such a wonderful opportunity to share my journey, my learnings at Career Ready program. So my journey at Career Ready program started from the last week of November 2020, and I came to know about this program of Antarang through USF, Udyan Chalini Fellowship, and I'm grateful to be a part of this amazing journey. One of the things that I learned from this program was teamwork. Here I would shortly like to share how I learned teamwork here. So we had given a business project, and that business project was about beach cleaning. There were lots of work which had been allocated among us, और हम सभी लोगों ने काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट किया, कभी कोई शिकायत नहीं आने दी, सबके ओपिनियंस को इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंस दी हम लोगों ने. तो इस तरह से हमने बिज़नेस प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किया और हमारा टीम वर्क भी काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से डेवलप हुआ. हम लोगों में टीम स्पिरिट भी जनरेट हुई. सो इस तरह से हमने ये स्किल भी सीखी. सम ऑफ द अदर थिंग दैट आई लर्न वर critical thinking, time management, stress management, financial planning, problem solving, group discussion, and much more. In terms of what I want to become in life, I already knew that. Right from school, I wanted to become an IAS officer. But इस प्रोग्राम की वजह से I got to know कि वहाँ तक पहुँचना कैसे है. And yes, there are barriers when it comes to time, study, financial help, family support, and everything. But despite all these challenges, I will have the same aspiration, and I want to become an IAS officer and serve my country. And I have already started to overcome these challenges. Like for the financial help, I will study by my own and try to clear UPSC exam. So this I would like to thank to this organization which made my pathway much more easier and clear. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Shivani, for sharing your experience. Now, let us put our hands together for another set of graduating batches.
CPM 28, VAL M8, Digital M12, Digital M10, Dharavi M34, Elphinstone M2, KOT G5.
Well done, graduates. Your surprise is waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? जल्दी से अपने WhatsApp बैच ग्रुप्स को चेक कीजिए. आगे बढ़ते हुए we have a very talented alumnus, Siddhant Madesia. He will be expressing his views on the kinds of barriers that young adults face while choosing a career.
My name is Siddhant and मैं आप लोग के लिए लाया हूँ ultimate motivation and shout out to Antarang Foundation. So here we go. Antarangi's ultimate motivation. Antarangi's cultivate motivation. मेहनतीस don't need motivation. मन चाही मंजिल मिल जाए तो हर दिन लगे वेकेशन. Antarangi's ultimate motivation, yeah. Antarangi's cultivate motivation, yeah. मेहनतीस don't need motivation. मन चाही मंजिल मिल जाए तो हर दिन लगे वेकेशन. बस ये याद रखना खुद में बुरे वक्त में सबर ही है सब कुछ. सबर थोड़ा रख तू बदलेगा सब कुछ. बस तू मत बदलना, सीख ले वक्त के साथ चलना. बदले ये ज़माना पर बदलना तू मत. होगा अपना ज़माना और अपनी हुकूमत. होगा अपना ज़माना और अपनी हुकूमत. लोग ताने मारे मुझे डॉक्टर बनेगा, इंजीनियर बनेगा. अच्छा हुआ इन्हें पता नहीं तो ये ताने ऐसे मारते. रैपर बनेगा. तू नेगेटिव हो सकता है तो मैं पॉजिटिव क्यों नहीं. रैपर बनेगा. जलने वाले ने कहा इससे बढ़कर मेरे लिए कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं. अगर कुछ पाना है तो उसके टक्कर का रिंच चाहिए. अगर कुछ पाना है तो सबर में हुसैन बोल्ट चाहिए. अगर कुछ दिखाना है तो खबर तक मेहनत बहुत चाहिए. बस याद रखना खुद में बुरे वक्त में सबर ही है सब कुछ. सबर थोड़ा रख तू बदलेगा सब कुछ. बस तू मत बदलना, सीख ले वक्त के साथ चलना. बदले ये ज़माना पर बदलना तू मत. होगा अपना ज़माना और अपनी हुकूमत. होगा अपना ज़माना और अपनी हुकूमत. होगा अपना ज़माना और अपनी हुकूमत. हाँ हौसलों को इन्फिनिटी कर. मुसीबत से इन्फिनिटी वॉर लड़. घर में ही तुझे वो बातें मिलेगी. बस थोड़ा सा गौर कर. शोर तुझे नहीं करना पड़ेगा. मेहनत तेरी डंका बजाएगी. हर वो भी तेरे ही गीत गाएगी. कटे भरे रास्तों को अपना बना तो सही. सारे तकलीफों सीधे से सीने लगा तो सही. देखना दिल ना पिघला इन जालिमों का तो बोलना मुझे. ये राह तुझे काटे यही दुनिया उठा लेगी. खुद पे जिस दिन आया उस दिन ये दुनिया सर झुका लेगी. Antarangi's ultimate motivation. Antarangi's cultivate motivation. मेहनतीस डोंट नीड मोटिवेशन, मनचाही मंजिल मिल जाए तो हर दिन लगे वेकेशन। अंतरंगीज डोंट नीड मोटिवेशन, अंतरंगीज डोंट नीड मोटिवेशन, अंतरंगीज
What a powerful performance by सिद्धार्थ। अब बुलाते हैं हमारे ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट फरा शेट्टी को, जो बैच धारावी M32 से हैं। आइए जानते हैं उनकी कहानी।
My name is Faranjali Shetty. I'm a graduate of BMM from SNDT College. I'm very much thankful to the organization for providing me the platform for sharing my experience. I joined the Career Ready program through a partner organization called Shraddhanand Mahilashram. With just a thought of to learn something new, the program introduced me to very important skill set such as time management, saving for the future, interview preparation, communication skill and grooming, which are basic but yet critical while working and simultaneously planning for your career plan. The learning from the program helped me in securing the job. As I apply the knowledge in my day-to-day workplace, I see myself growing and enhancing my skills. During my career ready journey, a few that really stood out for me are: first, my facilitator has always been supportive, which helped me keep moving forward towards my dreams aspiration. And the second thing, the program allowed me to focus on my abilities and explore myself in terms of self and career exploration. It also encourages my aspiration, considering my realities and taking an alternative approach to reach my goals without mindset that it is impossible. The third thing, the plan A and plan B system that is being followed in the curriculum allowed me to get clarity on my aspiration. As I move forward in my career journey, this allows me to follow a career path that I have already mapped out during the program. I aspire to become a film director and choreographer. Despite the boundaries and social stigma that I might face in near future, the fulfill of dreams as a first step after completing my graduation, I am working with Spenta Multimedia Private Limited Company, which specializes in magazine designing. I am to gain knowledge and work experience at Spenta Multimedia to form a strong foundation in the future sector. So thank you so much again to giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you.
तो दोस्तों, फरा की इस बेहतरीन कहानी के बाद मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ ग्रेजुएटिंग बैचेस से।
LSRM 7, Digital M13, Dharavi M35, Powai M22, Digital M7,
Congratulations and all the very best to our graduates. Go check out your WhatsApp groups for a surprise. Now let us welcome Manisha, our alumnus.
A few years ago, when I was in 9th grade, I had built up an interest in writing. I used to write few paragraphs now and then. One day I decided to write the script of the host as one of our school events. To my surprise, I ended up writing a very graceful, crisp and engaging script that even my teachers admired. I was startled when my teachers called me in the staff room and asked me to be the host of the session. My teacher said that if I am the host, I can seamlessly deliver the content just in the right way. I don't know when, but I think they did observe me and my ability to modulate and articulate words by adding meaning and emotions in each sentences. I believe it was one of the best feedbacks I had ever received back then, because it made me more aware about my strengths and my ability. I had a lot of emotions running down my veins. I was happy, excited but nervous at the same time. You all must be aware of the mind and its ability to fill you up with thoughts on different tangents, right? Before I even started practicing my skill, I had these negative thoughts running in my head. Like, you will not be able to do it. Or, what if you go wrong? What if you end up embarrassing yourself on the stage? All the log kya kahenge type thoughts. I refused the opportunity, badly regretting it about later. I refused the opportunity, badly regretting about it later, though I sincerely wanted to take it up. You know, the mind can either make you or break you. I ended up limiting my growth through these built up negative thoughts before even trying. It was my failure. I failed in making the most out of the opportunity that I got. But it did teach me, rather, it did make me aware about my ability to cope up with the fear of failure. I read about this concept called the Golden Circle, which is clearly mentioned in a book called Start With Why by Simon Sinek. I started practicing asking myself why every time I was about to make any important decisions of my life. And suddenly, I was consciously making the decisions of my life. I started realizing the stakes around the opportunities I came across going forward. When we come across these new situations out of our comfort zone, we are likely to have these negative thoughts and what ifs. But what if we do? What if we break these barriers? What if we try? Had I not refused the opportunity to host the event, then maybe I would have become a more confident adult earlier in my life. This was a really small incident that had happened, but it had a huge impact. Nevertheless, I am glad that I have figured out my way and managed to make the most use of the opportunities I have got since then. Since lockdown, I have hosted more than 10 sessions in various organizations. I have been an Antarang alumni speaker for 4 times, and I've hosted a big, successful webinar by Sashank Kurupa. I've got opportunities to work with great people and aspiring organizations. I know for sure that this is just the beginning of the life that I dream for myself. And I know that there is a lot more waiting for me to achieve. In this journey of self-discovery and exploration, I've learned that every opportunity I came across has taught me or created me and got me to be the better version of myself. And I would like to leave you here with this learning, hoping that it will help you in making the right decisions in your life. As the choice always lies with us, right? To choose what we want to become in our lives. Thank you.
Thanks Manisha, that was very insightful. Let us now welcome Sonal Vishwakarma from graduating batch Digital M8 to share her story.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonal Vishwakarma and I am from DIG M8 batch. I'm currently in second year and I'm pursuing Bachelor's in Science. I joined Career Ready because I did not having an idea of my future, of my career. I was so confused and did not know how to get started. That is when I heard about the Career Ready program from EXF Foundation. Through the program, I learned how to take decisions based on facts, importance of being proactive, always keep learning, relearning and unlearning, how to be thankful of what you have. Career Ready helped me by making me to give some personality tests, likes and dislikes tests based on several factors. Through that, I realized I want to get into digital marketing. As I researched about digital marketing, I learned that you need to be a quick learner and more importantly, because digital marketing is drastically changing field, you always have to keep yourself up to date as algorithm keeps on changing. To build this skill, I keep a constant check of new things happening in the field and how I can use it at work. I aspire to get into digital marketing because it uses my creative skills and is a greater opportunity to interact with the people and have a global reach. This is despite the boundary that it's highly competitive with. I would like to thanks again the Career Ready and Antarang Foundation for such a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thanks a lot Sonal for sharing your learnings with us. चलिए अब मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ ग्रेजुएटिंग बैचेस से.
Digital M9, Digital M14, Digital M16, Powai M23, Digital M11, Dharavi M31, Dharavi M33,
Congratulations to all the graduates. Now let us welcome Anushri. She will be talking about how, with the right support and mentoring, we can overcome all the barriers to pursue the career of our choice.
Greetings from my side to everyone. A short poetry only for my dear youths. उड़ के तो देखो यारो, उम्मीदों से ऊंची उड़ान है. मेहनत और कठिन परीक्षा वर्ल्ड फेमस मोटिवेटर डॉक्टर विवेक बिंद्रा को भी देखनी पड़ी थी. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के ओनर बिल गेट्स ही थे जो हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से ड्रॉप आउट हुए थे. ड्रॉप आउट और जिंदगी की परेशानी फेमस यूट्यूबर संदीप महेश्वरी को भी देखनी पड़ी थी. उड़ के तो देखो मित्रों, उम्मीदों से ऊंची उड़ान है. ज़रूरी तो नहीं हर कोई हारेगा. पेरेंट्स और टीचर का साथ कुछ इस तरह मिला है, कठिन राहों में भी सफलता पाएगा. उड़ के तो देखो प्यारो, उम्मीदों से ऊंची उड़ान है. चंद शब्दों में सक्सेस को कुछ यूं बयां किया है. मोहब्बत में वो दिल की मुराद है, प्यासे कुएं में बरसात की आस है, महफूजी में मिली पहली कमाई की शाम है. कोशिश तो करके देखो यारो, उम्मीदों से ऊंची उड़ान है. थैंक यू, होप यू लाइक इट.
आइए बुलाते हैं ग्रेजुएटिंग बैच एल्फिस्टर M2 से अभिलाषा गुप्ता को और सुनते हैं उनकी जर्नी के बारे में.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhilasha Gupta. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in biotechnology from Elphinstone College. My batch code is LPM2. I would like to share my learnings and experiences of the Career Ready program. I joined in this program through a random WhatsApp message, but from the orientation I was sure that I will surely get something out of it, and I was not wrong. So this program has been a roller coaster ride for me, from where I was before to where I am now. Now I know myself better. I know my strengths, weaknesses, goals, aspiration, personality. A program that started from making life maps to career research, it has given me the enzyme for my enzyme substrate reaction. Critical thinking and expert speaker sessions have been cherry on the cake. Now I know what are workplace behavior, work ethics, grooming, personal space, personal boundaries. I have also learned about anger management and mindfulness. I have also done a research project called House of Paws, which is about rescuing and providing shelter to the stray and deserted animals. I have also developed skills like teamwork, time management, punctuality. Before joining this program, I had many questions about my career. But after this program, I have got my answers. My plan A is professor and plan B is food biotechnologist. And even if like in future, even if I want to change my career, I am pretty sure that I will be able to go ahead with it because of the things I have learned through this program. So I have also met a bunch of people and worked with them, and the experience was great. My facilitator Ipsita De has always been so supportive and inspiring throughout this journey. Thank you for being there. I would also like to thank Antarang Foundation for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts. in the end, I would like to share something which goes like this. हाँ यही रास्ता है मेरा, मैंने पहचाना है. हाँ यही सपना है मेरा, मैंने ये जाना है. मुझे करके दिखाना है, मुझे करके दिखाना है.
All the best, Abhilasha. Now let us welcome our last set of graduating batches with a huge applaud.
KOT G6, Pavai M26, Pavai M24, Digital M2,
Hello everyone. This last year has been a year that has been filled with unexpected roadblocks and numerous challenges. We have still somehow managed to move forward and carry on towards our goal towards transforming young people's lives. This journey, however, would have been impossible without the support of all of our partners. So many organizations present here today changed gears in a second to do what they needed to do during the pandemic. Antarang has also had the opportunity to work with Sneha Foundation and organizations like Adarsh Foundation to distribute thousands of food kits across Dharavi and across the M-West world. I am here today to present some awards to appreciate and honor all of the support. The first award goes to a partner whose investment in starting their students' career journeys has been unparalleled. They have meticulously communicated with us all through the way and been there every step of the way for their students throughout the Career Ready course. They have also helped open numerous opportunities for training and for employment for their graduates. The award goes to Vidya. The second award goes to a partner whose involvement in their students' journeys have made it possible for their batches to have one of the highest graduating percentages this last year. The award goes to Walia College. The last award goes to another partner college with whom we have had systematic communication and coordination with regards to their students' progress and participation. The award goes to Elphinstone College. Congratulations to all of the winners and a huge shout out to all of our partners. May we keep continuing to work with each other and continue to support each other. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the graduates. Now we've reached the last performance where our alumnus Rishi will be showcasing his musical talents. The year has been extraordinary and has pushed us to accept new normals. While the year was full of uncertainties, there were some people who embraced this change to ensure our youth continued to grow and become career ready. They pushed beyond their boundaries and worked towards creating the best impact even through digital platforms. These champions are none other than our facilitators. The impact that facilitators create is what makes our program memorable for our youth and enables them to take their first steps into their career journeys. Despite last year being a roller coaster full of challenges, there were some facilitators who were able to pull through and bring out exceptional outcomes for our students. Let us now take this time to appreciate and celebrate their efforts. We would like to acknowledge the facilitators who enable students to show outcomes in the areas of linkages, employability diagnostic, and graduation rates. Graduation rate. This rate recognizes the work ethic and commitment students showcase towards their career-ready journey. The facilitators who ensured at least 80% of their students graduated the program are Alifia, Sapna, and Zahabia. A big congratulations. Moving on to diagnostic jump. It's an indicator that showcases a student's growth in aspects of self-awareness, career awareness, skills, and work ethics. The facilitators whose students showed a minimum 2-point diagnostic jump are Amandeep and Greta. Congratulations! Moving on to linkages. Linkages depict an opportunity in the area of either education, employment, or training that students take up as their first steps into their career journeys. The facilitators who made sure that more than 60% students were able to take up a linkage are Amandeep, Reema, Sapna, Swati, and Zahabia. Congratulations! Lastly, we would like to recognize those facilitators who were able to ensure students show outcomes in all the 3 areas. They enable their students to holistically embark upon their career journeys. These champion facilitators are Vyomesh and Yogesh. With continuous efforts and support, most of the students were able to take up a linkage, show a significant diagnostic jump, and graduate to be career ready. A big shout out to Vyomesh and Yogesh. And once again, congratulations to all our facilitators.
तो क्या आप सब ने एंजॉय किया? I definitely did. What an amazing way to graduate from a program. अब हम आज के ये यादगार इवेंट के अंत में आ गए हैं और एक धमाकेदार इवेंट का अंत हम कैसे कर सकते हैं बिना उन लोगों को रिकॉग्नाइज किए जिन लोगों की वजह से आज ये पॉसिबल हुआ है. To start with, I want to congratulate all of you for successfully graduating from the program. This is a sign कि आपने अपने करियर की तरफ वो पहला कदम ले लिया है और अब बस आगे बढ़ते जाना है. Can we have a big round of applause for all the graduating students? जैसे ही एक मूवी बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं, कुछ लोग पर्दे के सामने दिखते हैं और कुछ लोग पर्दे के पीछे दिखते हैं. वैसे ही करियर रेडी को पॉसिबल करने के लिए बहुत लोग साथ में काम करते हैं और आज ये दिन को पॉसिबल करने के लिए भी बहुत लोगों ने बहुत दिनों से प्लानिंग की. शुरुआत करूंगी बाय थैंकिंग ऑल आवर वैलेडिक्टोरियंस, सफरनामिस्ट एंड होस्ट्स who have worked very hard and shared their amazing experiences with us. We really enjoyed listening to you and your inspiring stories today. Next round of applause goes to all our facilitators, जिनके कांस्टेंट सपोर्ट और एनकरेजमेंट की वजह से आज आप सब यहाँ हैं.
We would also like to thank all our partners for ensuring that youth from their communities are ready with all skills to be employable. हमारे सारे donors, JP Morgan Chase, UBS Securities, Reliance Foundation, Empower Foundation, Microsoft Corporation, LinkedIn Technologies, आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपकी वजह से हम इतने सारे यूथ को रीच कर पाए हैं. Next, a very big thank you to the entire Career Ready team for ensuring that students enroll in the Career Ready program, they benefit from the classes and graduate successfully with flying colors. We would also like to thank our content and training team for training our facilitators to impact the lives of our students positively and effectively. Next, we would like to thank our student outcomes team for enabling successful employment, education and training linkages for our students. We would like to thank our alumni engagement team that has kept the alumni support and participation active throughout this event. This brings us to our beloved alumni. Thank you to all the alumni for their constant support and participation in the event. They have worked to not only better the lives of themselves but also of the communities that they are part of. Our supporters, friends who have been able to be a part of this event, we thank you for your kind support. I would like to make a special mention of a few people who have worked extra hard to organize this event. Raj, Shreya and Priya. A special thanks to the entire Antarang team for its invaluable support. As we end this event, I would like to remind all of you that there are 2 interesting panel discussions lined up right after this. The link for the same can be found in the comments section below and on all our social media handles. We hope to see you there. Thank you.